just took losses. But then this gold trade, baby, gold. I love you so much. What's up, team? I hope you're all having a good time. Today was crazy, guys. Oh, damn. Yesterday was crazy as well. I took so many losses. Like, wow, what the fuck? I don't remember when it was the last time that I took so many losses in a row. And I was fresh out of the vacation, so I was 3 weeks off the charts. And then I started, and I was just losing. Like, fuck my life. But I recovered on one trade. Let me show you guys. Let me share the screen. Let me show you what was happening. First of all, let me show you my phone screen. Give me 1 second. All right. So this was today. I mean, only today. Today's Tuesday. I took 9 losses in a row, something like 9 losses. Like, boom, boom, boom. These were 9 small trading setups, on the 1 minute chart. Just took losses. But then this gold trade, baby, gold. I love you so much. Damn, I was loading it up. Heavy on gold. I mean, I started the trade with around, how much was it? I think like 3% risk, and I've ended up with around 12% gain or something like that. 12 or 15% gain. And yesterday, let me show you yesterday as well, because yesterday I took 300,000 loss. So Monday was shit, 300,000 loss. Then the Labor Day started kicking in. Some markets were pretty quiet, got fucked in the range, lost some money. I don't know. I mean, yesterday I lost around 5 or 6 trades. Today 9 in a row, made like maybe 15 trades in a row, and then just one good trade wiped out all the losses, guys. And this is how we do it. Damn, guys. I mean, if you know how to load it up, this one good trade can make you rid of all these losses. Just one good trade, guys. I mean, check this statistic. What we got? Let's go. May 1st, it's nearly 3.5 million. And my accuracy is not that good, actually. I made like, I don't know, maybe something between 35 to 45% accuracy. My accuracy is not that good, really not that good, but I know how to load up on good trades. Or maybe my accuracy is even better. Like, I don't know, maybe 30%, but when I got a good trade, I load that shit up. You know how we do it. And yeah, actually, yeah, that's the result of the last couple of months. This was this week when I started. Now I'm up. In the first 2 days, I'm up 150 grand. Let's see what we got for the upcoming days of the week. But let me show you what was actually happening on gold. Okay, so you saw the last video maybe. Actually, if you like my content, guys, smash the like button, subscribe me so you get updated when I drop a new video, and check the links in the description. Join my Telegram channel as well. Alright, and if you need some help, just drop me a message on Telegram. Sometimes I need some time to answer, but just drop me a message. Be patient. I'm gonna help you to get on top of the Forex game. Alright, guys, I shared this analysis with you on gold. Let's just talk about gold. This was the big bang today. I mean, first of all, on the 4-hour chart, I see this fat ass support zone, okay, and another one over here, and I saw this downward trend channel, and gold was respecting that trend channel in the support zone very nicely. So when I go to the lower time frame, let's see what was happening today actually. And yeah, I saw it was bouncing pretty strong. Boom, came back for another one, and then it started getting off. And around in this area, somewhere around in this area, when I saw the breakout, I was starting to load my position size up, so I was getting in after this breakout structure. I was getting in, and then I tried to load it up on the way to the top. And then as soon as the market was turning around somewhere in this area, I mean, I banked this whole move, guys, and then yeah, made enough money to get rid of 15 losses. I mean, like, what the fuck? This is awesome. Yeah, let's see on the 1 minute chart. I actually recorded that trade live, so let me show you what was happening. This was today. This was today, guys. Let's see. You see this? Okay, so I started the session with 5.8 million, as you can see. Took a couple of losses on Monday, 300,000 loss, but anyways, I was selling Nasdaq here. I was selling Nasdaq right over here, and then I thought, okay, I got some more risk to play with, or let's try to get in again. But Nasdaq was just fucking me today. Same with Dow Jones. I mean, you see this. I was even moving the stop and thought it was just a stop on, but nah, it was not. I got fucked. I got fucked on Nasdaq and Dow Jones. I was selling as well. I thought, damn, it is a sell. But then, yeah, it was just playing with me. Then I got kicked out of Nasdaq. Then I was buying instead because bullish structure. Come on, we were on the bottom from the bullish trend channel, so let's buy this thing. This is what I thought. And on the second screen on the left side, you see gold starting to really start moving, and I had an eye on that one as well. So yeah, I was buying Nasdaq, and then after that, I think I bought Dow Jones as well. But all these fucking trades didn't work out. So the right side is not that important. Really see what was happening on gold, guys. I mean, look, I was checking. No, I was focused on gold. I was like, damn, this thing is moving. You see, I mean, how the structure was clearly broken at 1920, and I was like, all right, let's hop into the game. I was opening one position, 100 lot, 113,000 US dollar risk. This is what I saw when I moved the stop, and I was going to the lower time frame, see if I can get a better stop loss. I was like, okay, if I move the stop a little bit, maybe then I got like 1% risk over there, but I was like, nah, I don't want to let it drop until then, and then I was really getting into the 1 minute time frame and see what I can do on gold. And then I was like, let's go, let's load this thing up. And I was like, damn, 400 lot on that trade. And then I was waiting, and it was consolidating for a while, and made the move, and I was like, yes, I got it. Now let's see what we got. Boom, deep retrace. Damn it, son. What the fuck is going on? But I was like, damn, let's hold this bitch. And then it was dropping strong. I was like, damn, maybe need some more air to breathe. But no, I cannot do it because of the risk. So I had like 100 lots in there, 2% risk, maybe 2.5% risk, or 3%. I'm not that sure. I think the baddest was like 60, 40. Yeah, maybe 2.5% risk. Okay. And then I was just like, wait, and then it was consolidating. I was like, damn, fuck it, man. Gold need to save my ass because Nasdaq was, fuck, I don't know. I mean, I took like 4 trades or something like that on Nasdaq, all lost. Fuck, it was just up and down and up and down during the session. I was like, damn, fuck me. Okay, whatever. But yeah, let's focus on gold, guys. I mean, gold was in a consolidation. I was just waiting. I was waiting for the fucking push through, you know. And I was ready to load it up after that, you know. After I saw this bullish move, I was really happy. And on the breakout to the upside, I was getting in again, you know. I was like, damn, let's move the stop a little bit to lower the risk of all positions and get in again. So I was loading up 2 positions in the market, and then I was waiting, moving the stop a little bit just to make sure I'm not risking too much, you know. You see that? But I give it enough air to breathe because it was not taking off that strong. So I was like, damn, let's give it some more air to breathe. And then I was checking it out. I mean, on this point, I was forget about Nas, forget about Dow Jones. Let's focus on gold. This baby, I need to make a home run, you know. And I was just watching it. I was like, damn, okay, consolidating a little bit, but so good, so good. We made a small drop, but I was holding it through that drop. I was giving it the space. I mean, right now it is nearly a break even trade. If the market would hit the stop, I would have a break even small profit, you know. I was without risk at this point, even if I was scaling with a 700 lot, you know. I mean, it is a lot, but it is a lot of volume, but the risk was like break even, guys. So nothing at all. And then all we had to do was wait for the kickoff. And then I was buying Nasdaq again because you see this double bottom break of structure, really nice, but yeah, this thing turned around again. But anyways, check gold, left side of the screen, guys, left side of the screen. You see this? How nicely it took off. It was just taking off. And I was checking all the time frames to mark up all the possible hurdles on the way. And I was like, damn, maybe we can get to 1940. 1940 would be, I don't know, maybe 1.3 million or something like that. And even on this, I mean, on 1934, at this moment, I was on $817,000 profit. And then, as I saw that it was taking off like that, I really was tight in my stop. Start to break it down. Started to move my stop tighter because I don't want it to give back too much. I really wanted to bank a profit for the last 2 days, and yeah, this is what I did. I exit this trade with around $800,000 profit, something around that. Wait, let's see. 800. I think it's something around 800 plus, 800,000 plus for this trade. This is what happened on gold. This is how I was loading it up and then moving my stop, let the market stop me out. I mean, if this thing would make something crazy, sometimes it happens that the market keeps just flying and don't stop, and then you're gonna make so much money on one trade if you give the market the chance to do it. But in this case, it was the right decision to really tighten the stop. As you can see, it was trying to do another move, but session was nearly over. It was around 6 on my side. So the London session was over already. I mean, New York session is still going, but London was over. So yeah, people starting to sell it off again. As you can see now, market makes the gold makes the next decision. Will it go up or down? We will see. But yeah, this was crazy on gold today. But yeah, I hope this was helpful, guys. I hope you could learn something. Learn how to load it up on gold. I mean, I really like to focus on gold. I'm not that good with Dow and Nas. Last couple of trades that I took on Dow and Nas were not that good. I don't know. I'm more focused on gold, and I really love gold. I love to get just a small move. I mean, I just need during the session. I just need one trend move. I mean, this was enough. I mean, this one was enough to get rid of 15 losses in a row, guys. Wow. So yeah, this video is about how to get rid of 15 losses with just one good trade. I mean, not every. I mean, this is something that is really, really hard for a beginner trader, taking losses. And then if you take 5 losses in a row, you're like, shit, I need to get a job at McDonald's. Damn, I cannot do it. And most of the traders that are losing like 5 times in a row, they given up on their strategy, try to do something else, or just give up on whatever, because most of them, they are broke after 5 losses in a row because of fucked up money management. But I took like 15 losses and I lost around 10% of my money. I mean, that's a lot. It's a lot, and to some other traders this sounds like I'm gambling, but I'm not. I mean, I love to take risk losing 10% when I know on one good trade I can make like 10, 15, 20, 30, 50, 100, 150%. It's possible. I've done this, you know. So for me, taking 1% loss, 2% loss with a chance to make 20, 30, 40, 50, you know, I take every trade with the same confidence, you know. I'm not scared to lose money, you know, because I know when I have a good run and it's flying, and this happens sometimes. I mean, once a week it can happen. And once a week, one good trade is enough, man. It's enough, you know. It's really enough. Yeah, but what I want to say, guys, is prove to yourself that you can load it up on good runs, make some big gains on good runs, and then have the confidence to stick to your plan. Execute the plan. How many losses you take in a row, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. All that matters is that you stay confident with your trading plan, load good trades up, cut losses quickly and religiously. Don't hold on to them. Take your stop losses and always stick to your money management. Don't over leverage your account on one trade, guys. It's not worth it, really. Start with 1, 2, 3% risk. That's fine. Load it up on the way if you got a good run. If you don't have a good run, if the market stops you out, take the loss. It's alright, you know. It's alright. There only has to be one good trade and you're good, you know. And this is what we do. This is what we do, and this is what you're gonna learn in the Genius Trading University, guys, in the Genius Trading Masterclass course. If you see this video, if you're new to trading, or if you're already trading for a while but you cannot make profits or whatever, you really have to check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course. Check the links in the description. It's my course. I made like 100 lessons, and it's all about risk management, money management, entry strategies, exit strategies. I mean, you get everything inside of this course, plus you have the community behind that. So yeah, check it out. If that's something for you, if you need some help, drop me a message. I'm gonna answer your questions as well. What are you waiting for, man? Time to get a genius trader. Guys, I wish you a good time. Gonna make some music tonight. Yeah, enjoy your time, guys. Peace out.
What you know, every time.